Videos convert and convert really mad. If you seek a way to increase your website conversion or an approach to 10 times your social media posts' engagements by delivering content using the best and most effective way possible, then videos are your best shot. I just shared with you a secret only a few businesses are making a killing with already, and that's video marketing. Videos convert much more than any other means of content marketing or content delivery medium. Why this is so is logically simple. Which would you rather go with? A long, boring post or a beautifully animated video delivering the same content? With 100% certainty, I know your answer is video. Customers want to see what they purchase online and what it does, and thus video marketing captures a wide audience. Even the laziest prospects can consume your content easily. Facts: 70% of marketing professionals report that video converts more than any other medium. Including a video on your website homepage can increase conversion rates by 20% or more. Animated explainer videos increase conversion by 20%. Replacing an image with a video in your content increases conversions by 12.62%. Using the word video in your content subject line boosts the open rate by 19%. 80% of users recall a video they have viewed online in the past month. I can go on and on. Almost 5 billion videos are watched on YouTube every single day, and over 400 million people spend at least 1 minute on social networks video platforms each month, with more than 75 million people doing so each day. 100 hours of videos per day are watched on Facebook. All this proves one thing: video converts, and converts really mad. But unfortunately, making good and high-converting videos isn't a no-brainer. It actually requires a lot. Little wonder why many marketers don't go into it. You'll need premium tools with which to create stunning and animated videos, expertise in video editing so as to achieve that professional feel for your video contents, and most of all, you'll need experts in video content delivery and marketing for profitable video promotional campaigns. You see, it's more than just putting a video out there. The question is, would it convert? That's where we come in to save your day. As an agency, we have worked with many businesses, made countless videos, and ran hundreds of video marketing campaigns with a lot of successes. We have an arsenal of solid and premium video creation software to roll out that perfect animated video for your marketing campaign. We command a seasoned and battle-tested team in video editing and video content marketing. Our records speak volumes, and that's not all. With our expertise in this space, we implement video marketing best practices for maximum conversions while tracking and optimizing our campaigns as the need arises. We understand that it could be challenging for you to combine running your business with marketing and getting customers. This is why we need you to sit and relax while we handle your video marketing, so you can have time to engage with your customers. Ready to take advantage of this game changer? Awesome! Contact us today. Click the button below to request a quote.